In my early years, just by chance, I ended up at the Jamaica Information Service. I really wanted to become a commercial pilot, and that was my initial interest. I actually started out flying school, and what happened was that flying lessons in those days, as I suppose now, was very expensive, and I wanted to work to gain some funds to be able to finance my flying lessons. I was assigned to the Jamaica Information Service through the NYS back then, and fortunately I think I did very well and I was permanently employed. So I still had the intention to become a pilot and earn some money then, but I fell in love with the Jamaica Information Service and all that it offered, and as they said, the rest is history. I started as an assistant sound recordist, and then after a couple of years, due to hard work, I was promoted to a full sound recordist. After that, again, in a relatively short time, I moved from a sound recordist to a senior sound recordist. After that again, I moved up the ranks through some urging from a former co-worker who is now a lecturer at the university that I should try my skills or try my hand at videotaping, at camera work then. So I did. I took up the challenge, and so I went into videography or camera work, became a cameraman, again moved up the ranks, became a senior videographer or senior cameraman then. And after that, I then moved into management, became a technical admin coordinator. Then I moved up to become a senior editor, and then I became the manager. I acted as the manager for about a year.
Still on one, stand by, stand by.
Way back then, I mean, the technology was archaic, old, but at the time was relevant and quite useful. In former years, what used to happen is that the visuals were quite different. The way of getting the visuals was different. We used to use a film camera then, 16 millimeters, and the audio was recorded on a 1/4 inch, what you call a Nagra or audio recorder. That was in film days. Today, it's quite different. The visual and the audio is done or can be done on one integrated system. I remember back in 1977, I had the privilege and honor to work with the Right Excellent Sir Alexander Bustamante, who was at the time a living national hero. And I mean, for me, that experience was invaluable. People talk about work smarter, not harder. That may have some value, but believe me, working hard is just as important. I want to congratulate the Jamaica Information Service on the 50th year and wish the agency all the best.